Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the SD card and a protective case. Remove the card from the device, hold by edges to avoid touching contacts. Once done, blow out dust with compressed air or wipe gently with a lint-free cloth. Do not use liquids. Next, pick a dedicated hard case or anti-static sleeve and label the slot with date and content so you can identify it later. These immediate steps prevent damage and make retrieval much faster. Now you organize and log what's on the card. First, copy critical files to 2 separate storage locations, one local backup like an external drive and one remote like cloud or NAS. Once cop is finished, decide whether to format the card for the device you'll use next. This avoids file system mismatch. While you wait, record metadata, date, device/camera, and a short description, so you know what's on each card without inserting it. This middle step prevents finish by storing the card securely and adding a troubleshooting routine. Put the labeled SD into its slot in the protective case, then store the case in a cool, dry spot away from direct sunlight and magnetic sources. Make sure temperature stays within a normal range to prolong life. If a card becomes unreadable later, test it in a known good adapter and different reader. If still failing, run reputable recovery software before reformatting. These final steps protect data and give you a clear fix path if problems appear.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.